Welcome to my channel Luxury Car001. Today we are diving into one of the most talked about and futuristic vehicles of our time, the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck. When Tesla first unveiled the Cybertruck, it shocked the automotive world with its radical design and sharp stainless steel body. Now, with the 2025 version, Tesla has refined the concept while keeping its bold and unique DNA alive. This truck is not just transportation, it is a vision of the future that blends durability, technology, and raw power into one extraordinary package. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck comes with an updated exoskeleton made of ultra-hard stainless steel, providing a level of toughness rarely seen in civilian vehicles. Its angular design may still look like something out of a sci-fi movie, but now it feels more refined and production-ready. Tesla has improved aerodynamics slightly, while keeping the truck's distinct look intact. The sharp edges, flat surfaces, and futuristic lighting signature ensure that no other truck on the road looks anything like it. Underneath that striking exterior, the Cybertruck delivers Tesla's signature performance. The 2025 model is expected to come in multiple configurations, including a dual-motor, tri-motor, and even a quad-motor version for maximum power. Acceleration is mind-blowing for a vehicle of this size, with some models capable of going from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. Combine that with Tesla's advanced all-wheel drive system, and you have a truck that can dominate both city roads and off-road terrain. When it comes to range, Tesla has worked hard to push the boundaries even further. Depending on the model, the Cybertruck is estimated to deliver between 300 and 500 miles of range on a single charge, making it one of the most capable electric trucks for long-distance travel. Charging is faster too, thanks to Tesla's newest supercharger network upgrades, allowing drivers to get hundreds of miles of range in just minutes. Inside, the 2025 Cybertruck is just as futuristic as the outside. The cabin offers a spacious interior with seating for up to 6 people, all while maintaining a minimalist design language that Tesla is known for. A massive central touchscreen controls almost every function of the vehicle, while the latest Tesla software brings advanced features like autopilot and full self-driving capabilities. Over-the-air updates ensure the truck keeps improving long after you drive it off the lot. Utility has not been forgotten either. The Cybertruck offers an impressive payload capacity and towing ability, with some configurations capable of towing over 14,000 pounds. The vault-like bed in the back provides secure storage, and Tesla has even included features like built-in power outlets, making the truck a perfect mobile workstation or adventure vehicle. Whether you're hauling heavy loads, heading off-road, or just cruising through the city, the Cybertruck is designed to adapt to any lifestyle. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck isn't just a pickup, it's a bold statement about the future of electric vehicles and sustainable transportation. It shows that eco-friendly driving doesn't have to compromise on strength, performance, or style. Tesla has once again challenged the norms of the automotive industry, and with the Cybertruck, they might have created one of the most iconic vehicles of our generation. If you enjoyed this step look at the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Luxury Car001 for more exciting updates on the world's most incredible cars.